MWILU owacho ni Koponi Rigathi Rigathi Gachagua biro chwalo bura e doho tok ng'eto mar doho biro mana luwore gi chik. Omedo ni chenro madhi mbele e od bura mar Senate en mano maluwo chik ma pacho ka kendo ok en gima wendo.
Impeachment process that is ongoing regarding our deputy president is not unique. It's an application of the Constitution. It's not something that has been plucked from the air. It has a constitutional process to follow. And therefore, to that extent, it is a constitutional process. If it comes back to the courts, it's been in the courts, you know, the number of 20 whatever applications and cases. If it comes to court after Senate, whatever it is that happens, we don't know. We cannot anticipate the outcome of the Senate process. If it comes here, it's a case like the next case. It will be handled by we sit in the judiciary in the manner the Constitution has authorized us to do, in the manner the law has authorized us to do. We can't go outside the Constitution. We can't go outside of the law.
Weche mamoko ni jopiny medo golo paro mopogore kaluwore kod chenro mar od bura mar Senate ma thicho oko jalup jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua